Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm really happy with the result right here. Basically not bad, and I'm really happy for the speed. Ooh, I hear the popping right there again, and the way smoke is coming out, I'm afraid it will catch fire. That's fire right there. Wow, man, this looks really nice. It actually did it. Actually, it's very visible by eyes. But look at that cobra right here, man. Look at that cobra. It looks really sweet. Let's see, on the very first pass on this metal. So this is by far the bestest results that we are getting on default settings. What a fine, I can tell you, very fine, deep engraving right here. Assalamualaikum and greetings, Ali Sharma here, and welcome to more amazing gadget video reviews. Today in this video I'm gonna show you a cheap DIY type but one of the most powerful and one of the most accurate laser engraver, laser carver. Right there, the Ortur 15-watt laser engraver. Now, the only problem is when you put the piece, you cannot fix the piece down there. I would, however, suggest if you have a way to install an anti-slip mat down here on the surface where you're going to put your pieces for engraving, that is going to be the best option. For now, I'm just testing, so I'll just keep it here. I find the Laser GRBL software a little bit intimidating in the beginning, but as you start to understand, you will know that all these plenty of options for you to customize the way you want to engrave with your Ortur laser engraver is actually a blessing here. And once you start understanding the software, you're gonna simply love it. So let's open a file. Say I wanna my woodworking logo. I'm also doing woodworking, so if I wanted to engrave this on a piece of wood or the wooden product that I have built, this is going to be very nice. Quality 15, direction horizontal. Okay, say next. The laser power is 1000, engraving speed 3000. Okay, size I will say let's go for 70. Okay, I just changed the width, create this to see how it will engrave. Remember that this laser doesn't burn when you are actually setting things up. So, looks awesome. Alright, we can go ahead and start carving now. Make sure to put on the glasses if you want to look at it. Now check this out, how fast it's actually engraving. Other laser engravers took forever to engrave it, and look at that, this one already done it. Okay, all right, check this out. I mean, this is a real nice engraving right here, very precise. I can actually read it. Previously when I did with the other ones, I couldn't actually read it properly. Even this is smaller, I can easily see simply natural. Maha Woodworks, simply natural. This is really nice. I'm really happy with the result right here. Let's try engraving a picture. Cutting will come later. Alright, we'll just take one of this picture. It has been one of my very nice memories from UAE. All right. So once it's done, we'll see how it turns out. Stop it for now right here. I can still see some of my face. When it comes to engraving pictures with laser engravers, you have to play with settings. You have to make sure the picture is taken the right way and edited the right way, so the contours and the details of the pictures can be engraved properly. Now I can see my face somewhere in there, and basically it's not bad. I'm basically not bad. And I'm really happy for the speed it actually did this picture. So this is the end result with Ortur 15-watt laser engraver. What a fine, I can tell you, very fine, deep engraving right here, and still you can read everything clearly, you can see everything clearly, down to every detail. And I did this with the other laser engraver, which was the Wayne Lux. You can see it burned it like dark black, somewhere it's deep, somewhere it's not deep. So compared to this precision based work, that doesn't look too good. This is definitely the way to go. Okay, so let's change the image for cardboard cutting. Let's take this little dragon right here. Nice and small, should do the job very quick, slow. Ooh, I hear the popping right there again. It's popping the cardboard. Burning it real bad. Ah, it's burning it, man. It's cutting, it's carving and cutting through it. Now I'm really worried about my table. Okay, it's gone on my table now. And the way smoke is coming out, I'm afraid it will catch fire. There's fire right there. Yes, popping. Popping again. I can hear the popping of the cardboard. So this time the speed is higher. It's cutting the cardboard properly. There's a smoke, but not like before when it actually started fire. I can see the cardboard is actually not a very good quality one. So it's starting the fire again. Whew! Man, I wish I had this when I was a caveman and I could start fire really easily. I don't hear any popping this time. I just see it's carving, it's not cutting. I hear popping. I hear popping. That means it's cutting. I see the operation is going very well this time. It won't cut all the way through, but I will know what to do next for this kind of material. Wow, man, this looks really nice. It did not cut through, you can see, but it engraved it really well. With the brush, I can see it went through the first layer, second layer, almost to the bottom, but not all the way down. So we can play one more time. Hold on. The first layer has been cut real nice. Okay, you see that. But it did not dig through, which I was actually looking for. Well, let's reduce the speed. Do it, man. Smoke comes out, cardboard starts burning and spreading the fire around. You can actually start cooking barbecue. It did the job right here very well all the way back. The cut was good, but then the cardboard started catching fire. Okay, so, material has to be good quality. Man, this laser engraver is really nice. I mean, if you want to start fire for barbecue, this will do the job. Okay, so now I put a piece of acrylic and see how it goes with the craft paper on it. If you remove that sticky paper, it's really very shiny and bright. So I have removed that one side, but then removed at the other side. Now I'm engraving on that paper with it stuck on that like a sticker. I will see how it turns out. That's some fine print right here, man. That's some fine engraving right here. Now, let's try to remove this. Peeling this off. I still have some of that paper stuck there, but you can see the image has been carved already. So this was acrylic, if I believe I'm pronouncing it right. Now I'm repeating the same operation on the same material, that is acrylic I believe, but without that sticker craft paper on it. And I smell it, I see the smoke, so this is still doing it. It actually did it, even without having to have that paper stuck on it. So this is the image carved without having that paper on it. I can see the depth carved, and here's the image with the paper on it. It was worth a try. I'm holding it so it doesn't move and doesn't get its protection activated. I've seen this helicopter, I have reviewed before. It's one of the best 2 thumbs up RC helicopters in its size and categories. Most powerful. And, well, this was just a try, and you can see I actually made 2 thumbs up right here on the canopy, if you can see. It actually is very visible by eyes, and I wasn't, sure that it will actually carve it, but it did. It did actually. I mean, having to have different angles here, I wasn't sure that the laser will actually have enough focus or the right focus, but still, it actually did very well. You can see. Hope it doesn't blast, but last I'm gonna try engraving this little snake cobra on my Sony Xperia phone. Popping. I hear popping sounds. I hope it doesn't pop my battery. It's some kind of plastic, basically. The Sony Xperia phone, the back, the case. This is original, genuine case. It's some kind of plastic. I did the first test run. It doesn't go in. I mean, the laser is not burning through it, but carving on top of it. Okay, it's dirty. My phone, I haven't been using this phone because it became bad. I don't know, the battery has trouble, the screen has trouble. Sony, you have a crappy quality phones, people. Anyway, but look at that cobra right here, man. Look at that cobra. It looks really sweet. Even on this dark black shiny color, I can see the cobra really nicely on my phone. And I mean, if you have such kind of awesome tattoos on your phone cases, you can customize your phones the way you want. And your friend's gonna ask, dude, where did you actually get it? Definitely worth it, man. This did the job. Ortur is really doing very good job. I have this El Cheapo hard drive case that came with one of my old Wii games hard drive. The hard drive is still in there with all the Wii games. Let's try to engrave something on it. 2 thumbs up guy. Let's go with this 2 thumbs up guy. I can see it on the very first pass. 2000 speed setting, 1000 setting for the laser power. It is happening on the very first pass. Let's see. On the very first pass, it didn't do 4 passes. It just did 1 pass on this metal. And this 2 thumbs up is telling you the story right. This laser engraver is definitely 2 thumbs up product, man. Beautiful engraving. Okay, finally, as usual, I normally do my logos very first, but this time I did my logo the last. And I can tell you, this is one of the best results among all the laser engravers I have ever reviewed. Honestly, this is not a lie. This is an honest talk right here. I mean, you can see the claws very, very clearly. The teeth, okay, in the mouth of the cat, the mustache, the eyes, the writing, Al-Shamao, the airplane before wasn't visible, but the airplane is pretty visible this time, very nicely visible. So this is by far the bestest results that we are getting on default settings using the Ortur laser engraver. And that is why I'm saying that this is really a 2 thumbs up thing. Very first, try, it actually engraved such clear image on metal, which I haven't been able to do before with other laser engravers. So this is absolutely a very nice laser engraver right here. For the pennies that you're paying for this laser engraver, definitely are worth it, because the amount of material it can carve, being a compact desktop home DIY type laser engraver, that's just awesome. That's just more than what you actually ask for. I'm not done yet. I'm still gonna do and play a bit more. Hold on. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.